I'm talking to this friend, and she's like, the guy is green flag. But do you believe that
Hmm.
men cannot be green flag?
I to have stopped believing only. I believe men cannot be categorized under any flag anymore.
Yeah, they're not a flag. They're just the danda.
This is such a rage bait comment.
God, I meant the stick of the flag, guys.
We can be like girls to boys. बच्चा है यार तू मेरा ले फैंटा पी.
Oh God, guys, let me just tell you to everyone listening to us, Poonam likes Fanta. Like, who likes Fanta?
What is wrong with Fanta? What is wrong with orange flavored drink? I love it. And I'm so happy that my Fanta is getting global recognition. I mean, it already had, but right now, after Durandar, it's getting the global recognition it deserves. So please.
Let's just go past that because Fanta, Mirinda, Slice, Tang is
No,
still
Slice
acceptable,
is
but
different. No, no, you cannot match Slice with.
look at the passion in her voice talking about stupid Fanta, bhai.
How can you not like Fanta? Give me one reason of
How can
when
you like Fanta? Like the moment it goes inside, your aftertaste is so bad and your tongue gets weirdly orange.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Oh God, it's not. It's not. How can it be the best part? I understand that neither are other did I say hard drinks? No, I meant cold drinks. Good for you. Good
Yeah,
for
yeah, we'll have hard drinks, Muskan. Wait.
yeah.
Just
Yeah. Oh God. But come on, Fanta.
no, yeah. Guys, whoever is listening, just tell me, how can you not like Fanta? Give me one possible
Yeah,
logical
yeah.
reason.
I,
Logical reason.
I'm so
This
excited for our
one
comments.
person.
No. No, Fanta.
Listen to me, this one person, then there's another girl also. These two have been bashing me for
Yeah.
liking the most precious cold drink ever made in the humankind.
Yeah, yeah.
For
Put
the
it
living
in
one.
the museum. If it's that precious, no, put it, go. हाँ नहीं तो
I'll
I
appeal Mr. Modi to get it certified.
Hey Bhagwan, like even Fanta and also like Mirinda. Once I went to one event, they
Hmm.
were serving Mirinda shake like as if Mirinda was not less devil's poison. Now I know she'll come up with that Fanta and Mirinda are different. I know.
Exactly. They taste so different. Mirinda has a little bit of thickness in it, and Fanta is very light. There's two different things. You need to drink both to understand.
How about drinking neither?
See, when I was in Bangalore, so me and my roommate we went to DMart for shopping, like grocery shopping, and then we noticed that this bundles of cold drinks, those chotu wala, 20 rupees wala. So there's like I think 12 bottles of Fanta, 7 Up, Coke, all that. I took the entire carton of Fanta. I stored it in the fridge and then I took a picture and it gave me such joy.
And here I am regretting about the biggest H&M parcel. I'm not regretting, contemplating the biggest H&M cart I have made. Rather something useful and look at her buying cartons of Fanta.
Whenever I get sad or whenever I feel very okay, then I
Then I
do
drink Fanta and it makes me even
cool
more
drink.
sad.
It makes me happy. How can you not like Fanta? Give me one logical answer. I will not accept it, but yeah, you can try.
Just like Jamil's daughter Yalina didn't make sense. I think that's what the me and Fanta situation is. So Jamil Mamu, you keep the Fanta and I will keep Ranveer Singh. Okay?
I want to vote out. I want the audience to vote out. We'll start a poll, guys. If you like Fanta, vote it.
I'm so excited for our engagement to go up after this and people disliking Fanta.
And Fanta sponsoring us. What will
Yes.
you do when Fanta comes to sponsor us? Tell me.
यहाँ मैं पिघल गई.
पीआर के नाम पे पिघल गई.
ब्रांड के लिए फैंटा पीना पड़े तो पी लूंगी. I will put only Poonam's Barbie in that video editing section. She will do it and we'll split the money. Okay. She gets to have the Fanta and the money. Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy with Fanta. Only keep the money.
Oh, बाबा रे.
Just kidding.
Wow. यहाँ मैं पिघल गई. ये मैं कर.
But yeah, for me, Fanta is best. End of discussion. We can move on to the next topic.
Yeah, for sure. Miss Fanta.
There's many things that I don't like and you guys love.
Guys, Poonam doesn't like a chocolate cake. That's the basic human need, to like a chocolate cake.
I don't like chocolate also. She has gone into a Maun Vrat.
2 minutes, we'll all observe silence. Real quick, you know.
No, see, I have an explanation for this. All my life, like all not my life, all my childhood, I have had Cadbury, I have had many sort of chocolates. Then after a point I felt it's very meetha. It's very
But
sweet.
that's the whole point of the chocolate. What are they gonna do? Put broccoli in it?
And that it is the essence, but it didn't quite sit well with me. So I moved. I am not wholly against chocolate. I moved to white chocolate. I love white chocolate. So every birthday of mine, I ask my friend, even if you're getting me a cake, better you give me a white chocolate or a vanilla or some mango or something, but not
Yeah,
chocolate.
yeah. Give her a Fanta cake, please.
Oh my god, is that a
Arey,
real?
how can you be excited for a Fanta cake? Yeah, Poonam, Fanta was. Guys, that's it. 8 minutes for this pod. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.
Oh my god.
Baap re.
Yeah. You guys like popcorn also.
Arey.
I'm not judging you for liking popcorn. What is there in popcorn?
Guys, she goes to
Just some
movies.
pop-
She goes to movies and not have popcorn. You're literally not enjoying one of the peak human experiences to have popcorn while watching a movie. She watched 4 hours of Dhurandhar without popcorn in her hand.
I like fries.
Yeah, fries is fine, but
I like to have
popcorn.
fries when I munch.
Oh
But
God.
what is there in a popcorn? A corn which is popped up.
That's the whole point of it. A
And then
popcorn is popped corn.
Then you're putting some salt, some caramel, or some bullshit. What?
Nobody's putting bullshit in popcorn.
How can
Cheese.
you have a dabba full of that?
Just like you're having that entire carton of Fanta and Fanta cake
I'll
and
show you the
fries.
picture.
We clearly know what Poonam's birthday party order is.
My birthday party order has to be biryani. I love biryani.
See, वो कहते हैं ना, हमने शिकायत की पाई पाई जोड़ रखी थी, उन्होंने बिरयानी का नाम लेके दिल पिघला दिया.
Yeah, biryani, my staple food.
बस. That's why I say you're my work wifey. We come to a thing at the end.
Yeah. We just are like those tangent who eventually meets. We are not like parallel.
Yeah.
Kind
That's
of
intersection.
revolving around a circle, and then we meet. So much
Yeah.
of geometry. Yeah.
Intersecting lines.
Oh my god, where was this brain when I actually needed it?
Yeah, when we could clearly see it's a triangle and they asked us to prove that it's a triangle.
Yeah, when I actually wanted and needed to solve that fucking circle. That time I was crying कि यार मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रही सर्कल को सर्कल कैसे प्रूव करूं.
Yeah, dude, it was so scary. And do you remember the days when this is all 10th class geometry and 10th was board exam?
Yeah.
So you remember when they used to give us a circle and then inside the circle there is a stupid triangle and then in the triangle we're using that Pythagoras theorem. We're figuring out the radius and then we're figuring out a diameter, all this to prove that a circle is a circle.
Can you imagine what sort of traumatic experience we've had? Oh god, I remember those LHS equals to RHS proved.
Oh God, HP is proved.
Yeah, and then AB is equal to BC and in bracket CPCT corresponding something, no, corresponding side of something. That CPCT felt so stupid to me, and I was like, कि every time I'm writing this equals to this and bracket CPCT proved, I used to feel like this is like a suspense account. Whoever has commerce will know
Had
what
commerce,
suspense
yeah.
account is. So it felt like a suspense account कि ऊपर ऊपर मिल गया, अभी कुछ तो करना है इसका, then just put it like that.
Put it like that. From Poonam to suspense.
Those sums used to have this longish solution, and it
Yeah.
always used to start with given.
Let's assume. Let's assume.
Yeah, let's assume this is X, and this is Y, and this is Falana, this is Dimkana.
And till date, people who are like very good in maths and all, y'all can come at me. I don't really care. Please. But if you look at it, मुझे कभी ये चीज समझ नहीं आई that we're starting with an assumption. And then in the way we are putting the real values and then coming to hence proof. We started from something fake and now we're saying that it's real. What kind of loser behavior is that?
Oh god, when Janvi said mathematics was retarded, I now feel it.
Exactly. Oh God. Dude, yesterday, what happened? I
What?
don't know. It was yesterday or it was today. I don't understand. Something I had to do like a crazy addition, or I don't not addition exactly. Some crazy multiplication or something I had to do. We were shopping, and then we were buying in bulk. So
Okay.
some crazy multiplication I had to do, and then you could see it on my face that my mind is saying that, oh God, do it on the calculator.
I'm so bad at it. I can't do mind math, which everybody knows how to do it. Like, if you tell me what is 25 in 25 plus 26, I'll take a moment actually.
That's
And
easy, yeah, Poonam. That's easy. Come on, that's 50.
so bad at it. I'm so bad at it. My mom till date she scolds me for like, how can you not know this? This is so basic. And it's like सबका दिमाग नहीं होता है
हम
sharp in
हैं
maths.
हम ईशान अवस्थी क्या करें हम
I am Ishan Avasti in math, but I was good in geometry. Yeah.
Then how did you solve that love triangle, by the way?
Oh my god. That's the moment she knew she fucked up.
Wow, oh God. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Well,
I remember this one thing very vividly. So we
what?
were in class 7th and I come from a very beautiful and all girls school. So 14 years I've lived between bitches, baddies. So y'all should know that I'm a retired bitch. So I'm a very good person. But if someone presses that button in the lift,
What an introduction. I'm a retired bitch, but I'm a very good person.
yeah, I'm a retired bitch, a very good person. But when you press that button on the lift, the floor it opens up to. You're not ready.
But you're my bitch.
Stop. What was I saying? I forgot.
That some lips open.
Stop. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I come from an all girls school. So, 14 years of all girls kind of fun happening, right? So, this has nothing to do with the anecdote I'm about to share, but let's assume. So, it was 7th class, and we had a change in one of our maths teacher. So, the new maths teacher that came was pretty young. Like, she was probably what age we are today, like in the ranges of
Okay.
23 to 30 ish. Like, that's when the range was while we were in school. All right. And then she came from a school which was earlier co-ed. So now she used to come here and say things like girls and boys. Oh, no boys. At that moment only we realized इस बार तो fail होंगे maths के paper में. And then she explained this one sum, her first class, first sum, and she explained it the whole fucking period. Nobody's getting it. Nobody's getting it. When we were like कि मैम नहीं समझ आया, and then she starts drawing figures that there. I vividly remember that there was this character named Sally. That Sally is going from her school to her home, so she used to call that character Shelly. We lost there only. And then she starts making figures on the blackboard and then she marks her as Shelly. There came a moment when the entire class looked at each other and they started laughing. कि इससे तो नहीं हो पा रहा. Damn. It was funny back then.
I feel there were one or that this teacher that you're talking about. I feel every school had one or two teacher like that.
Yeah. And it used to be so sad because the other section is like को एकदम बढ़िया होता है वो टॉप कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनका टीचर बहुत अच्छा है and हम I remember the next day the entire now the session is gone. Now we are approaching the final exams. So she came somewhere in the half yearly time and then now final exams are coming. She's like any doubts and the entire class is ma'am Shelly question Shelly. Like fucking class has ended and we're like Shelly तो अभी तक घर ही नहीं पहुंची है स्कूल से.
Shelly has been solving her since then.
Yeah, oh my god. And she used to be so invested in making those characters' hairs and clothes. We're like,
Oh
oh,
my god,
yeah.
गलत प्रोफेशन पे आ गई है. I mean, उसको ड्राइंग टीचर होना चाहिए.
Oh god, our drawing teacher back in school, damn, what a guy he was. Crazy.
We had one economics teacher. Oh my god. So she I think she had a problem with English.
Okay.
And so what we figured out that she thinks in Bengali,
Okay.
but when she speaks, so whatever she's thinking, she's speaking that. So in Bengali, the grammar is different, and in English, the grammar is different. So let's say if she's thinking that these girls are talking too much, so she should say, "Don't talk." In her mind, she's thinking in Bengali, and so she's saying, "You not talk."
Oh.
And the entire time she used to talk like that, and we used to feel ashamed कि भाई stop it.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
हिंदी में बोल लो.
सही में. On the contrary, my economics teacher from 11th and 12th was probably my favorite teacher back in school. The lady she was. I mean, I'm still a fan. I mean, she met me like a few years after school ended. She met me at a bakery, and the same charm, the same grace, the same love. And oh, she hugged me so tight. I really love that woman. So, like, Madhumita ma'am, if you're listening, I love you. Shout out.
Shout out to Madhumita ma'am.
Let's go.
Yeah, a lot of economic student out there will understand, and also do make me and Muski also understand why Indian rupee is falling so much.
Oh God, that's another like people who are investing in stock market and all. They're saying we're having a bloodbath of a stock market.
Dude, I tell you, my entire portfolio is red. It's red, and I am worried because I opened my wedding fund over there. And it's in red, and I could see it every day. And I'm like, it's okay, things will be better. We'll
We
see time.
manifested for a red lehenga, not a red fund. Oh God.
Exactly. So yeah, I'm just coping up these days.
Oh my God. Manifestation, actually. Manifestation. I have something around that, guys. आज मुस्कान का ज्ञान मिलने वाला है. Okay. So I noticed this one thing about manifestation, and again, Muskan theory. But let me know if you also felt something like that ever. Babies, you can also tell in the comments that what we manifest and we are doing it the right way, and our disclaimer, doing it for the right and the good things which do not hurt anything or anyone, right? So if we manifest something in the best intentions, it will eventually sooner or later happen. That's part A. But if your current situations or your current reality, let's say, misaligns with what you're manifesting on a deeper level, you might not know right now. You might feel that, oh my god, मैं तो एकदम जो manifest कर रही हूँ, मेरी reality बिल्कुल वैसी ही चल रही है. But on a deeper level, let's say these two things are not at the same frequency. They're you have to be ready for a reality change, because what you're manifesting will eventually happen, but your reality is going to flip. And that's a theory, and I have seen instances around. You might feel that the reality happening right now is just the best, but
Yeah.
it's somewhere misaligning with your manifestation, somewhere on a deeper level, on certain frequency. Then your reality will switch.
Yeah, I mean, I think the kind of vision that we can have will be like it's not kind of matching with the real, because we are conflicting within our mind with so many thoughts that I want A, I want B also. That's not how manifestation works.
Exactly. True. See, I knew you'd get me.
Yeah, but that's true. That's true in many cases.
Which actually makes me realize that how important it is to have a winning mindset if you want to. वो कहते हैं ना कि तुम जैसा हर परिवार में एक ही आता है, अपने सपनों की कदर करो. So like if you are actually wanting to win or you want to reach the top of the world, you actually have to change your current frequency or vibrations, not from the words of हो जाएगा, वहां पहुंच जाऊंगी. Even the smallest words like हो चुका है, It's
Hmm.
already mine. That kind of reassurance you have to have in your mind if you want really things to work out. Being delusional with an audacity is what takes you places.
So true. We are pretty much delusional, but that's what I think love about us, that we are delusional. We talk about a lot of shit that has not happened yet, but we just know somewhere it's deep down that we'll have it.
It's there, exactly.
There, yeah, yeah. It feels like that. It doesn't feel like a distant thing to have. It almost feels like it's going to be there in due course of time. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but day after tomorrow for sure. So I think that belief is also needed. That you need to believe, really, really believe that yes, this is mine. I'm gonna get it by today or tomorrow or any day. But you need to also wait a lot, have patience, which I'm lacking.
No, because जब अपना टाइम आएगा ना
अब सबके पटाखे बंद हो गए तो हम अपना शुरू करें.
आपके पटाखे हो गए हों तो हम अपना धमाका शुरू करें. Oh
For
God.
me, this spot is the dhamaka.
It is. I mean, we might not realize it right now,
Yeah.
but do you also believe, Poonam? Do you actually go through these moments in time and you be like, are we really doing this? Like, I remember it was the trailer and I said this, are we really doing this, mommy?
And we were clicking and screenshotting every bit of it, and we were so excited, and I think that's what we need. We have to be fan of our work first, of course, with better healthy criticism at place,
Yeah.
but we really have to be invested at what we are doing so that we know, and we give our best on it, and it'll reach its core audience. It has started to reach its core audience, by the way.
Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood.
Yeah, that's what.
Touch wood.
So it's just matter of time till it hits it jackpot and we show our faces.
Oh,
Very soon, very soon.
very, very soon because which
How we'll have a studio.
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर फैंटा वनीला केक लाहौरी जीरा whatever you like everything you like.
Marvel cake from Magnolia.
Yeah, that also. Which
Sushi.
oh, sushi. Oh God, I've not had sushi ever since I've come back from that vacation. Mama क्या
Bombay,
याद दिला
Bombay.
दिया.
We'll have it Bombay. We'll have it Bombay. What? We'll have it in Bombay.
Let's go. Let's do it. But yeah, which also brings me to this one thing that it's very, 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 very important for us to, you know, how in Dhurandhar he said Nazar and Sabr.
Hmm.
My version of that is gratitude and romanticism.
That's nice.
Like you should be grateful for everything, good or bad, while romanticizing your life in the most beautiful ways. So, what happened? I was watching Friends. Like, I rewatch Friends all the time. So, I was watching season 7 compilation
Hmm.
where Rachel is working for Ralph Lauren, and we all know Rachel's wardrobe during the Ralph Lauren era was everything.
Yeah.
So I don't know why, but
Hmm.
seeing her through, that specific season, it made me realize that how important it is for us to romanticize working. This
Hmm.
applies to everyone. If you're a creator, if you're in a corporate job, if you're a student, if you're in any space of life, it's very important for you to romanticize your life in very small ways, like dress well, eat well, maybe take yourself out, take meetings from a cafe. You know what I'm trying to say? It's very important for you to romanticize and be grateful, even grateful about the fact that you have the opportunity to romanticize your life. People don't. So be grateful about it and do it.
Actually, people don't even have the capacity to think that they can do it. A lot of them, they don't. So the fact that we can, and all of the people who are listening to it, the fact that you can think about it and you can create that universe for yourself, do it. Don't let anything come in between. Just think that you are the best person in this whole fucking world, and just do whatever you think is right. Yes, of course, do legal things, don't do
Yeah,
illegal
yeah.
stuff.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Don't be like, I murdered because that's my passion.
No. We
No,
only
that's
talk beautiful, beautiful things here.
exactly. So do what feels right to you, but always feel that's what we do, right? That we feel that we are the best. So whatever we do has to be best.
Yeah, because if you're not, there's this one driver from F1, Max Verstappen. Shout out to my F1 babies. Um, he says that if you go on the grid and do not act and feel like the best driver, maybe just don't drive.
Yeah, that's the same thing Virat Kohli also says it no all the time.
Yeah.
That you really have to think that you are the one, you are the king over there, you are actually there on the field hitting sixes after six. That is the situation when you will actually hit those sixes.
Yeah. Victories are won in mind first and then in reality.
Yeah, Virat Paglu.
Shout out. Wow, so many beautiful shout outs this episode.
Shout out to Virat. Shout out to
Yeah, yeah, of course. We cannot let
for
that lady
being
pass.
calm in his life and for also being the calm in her life as well.
Yeah, true. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And like the last, did you actually think I actually made a list? I was so overwhelmed last night about all the preachy stuff. So I was on
Mhm.
the good side of the gram, which
Yeah.
motivates you. So I was
Yeah.
on that. So the last thing, and probably the most important thing is why you
Hmm.
are romanticizing having that gratitude, manifesting right, having a winning mindset. You will reach the top of the world, no doubt with that. But when you reach the top of the world, get there not because you have to tell the world you're on top, but to see how the world looks from the top for yourself.
Yes, yes, pretty much. I want to reach the top and I want to just see New York City first.
Yeah. What are you gonna do in New York? You're not gonna find Fanta there.
I'll take it. Don't worry. Why not? Like it's Pepsi, no? Pepsi is there, or I'll have premium Fanta over there.
Look at
I
wow.
I hope Pepsi is an American company.
We are so unsure of our facts. I love it. Let me check. Is Fanta available in NYC?
Hope it does.
Available.
Should be on Walmart, yeah.
Guys, by the way, the episode is not sponsored by Fanta.
Yeah, but it's okay. Fanta will sponsor it.
Oh God.
What?
You listen to these words. Yes, not only is Fanta available in NYC, but Fanta is widely available in NYC.
See, Fanta fans in NYC. Here I come.
And they have these distributors for it. New York Beverage. Crazy.
I don't care about the distributor.
Wow.
I just want it on the shelf.
See, my Jameen Mamu is so khush.
Yeah, Walmart you should have. And there's this one more store, na? They have Walmart and
Target.
what?
Target.
Target. Yeah, Target. These two, they better have it because I'm assuming we are not going to find Nukkar Wale Dukan in NYC.
Yeah, at all. Dukan which has seen you in every attire possible.
Exactly.
Wow, what a fantastic conversation.
Oh my god, what a plug-in.
What's trending?
Dhurandhar,
I'm to
the
still
revenge.
I'm still obsessed, but छह निकल गई ये reels. What else?
I'm watching Dhurandhar this Sunday again.
Stop it! We can't be that jinxed, Poonam. Oh my god.
What? Are you also?
Oh god.
Oh my god. How can you read my mind?
How can you read my heart? This is just a social platform my partner and I have picked to show our PDA, guys. Y'all can have fun.
Yeah, it's our safe space.
Everybody's safe space.
Yes, but it's our right.
Yeah, we just wanted a platform to, blabber wonderful, wonderful things. That's, I think, what a lot female friendship is about.
Yeah. But what is up with this jinxing, sinking thing? Why are you watching Dhurandhar again, if I may ask?
Because why not? I am so excited to watch Ranveer again. I loved him in that song where people are jumping with their guns.
That's a good response.
I love it, bhai. I love him. He's so hot. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very controversial. Very, very controversial. But
Okay.
when you look at Ranveer and Deepika, okay,
Hmm.
who do you think deserves the other person? Like, who deserves better, or are they good for each other? What's your opinion?
Ranveer deserves better.
Exactly.
And the fact that her husband is now being recognized so much, like
Yeah.
worldwide. She hasn't put up one fucking story.
Yeah, and
Damn woman.
I love how Deepika fans are actually just screenshotting her one reply to that Ori comment that who's watching Dhurandhar with me, and she's like me, and then people are like, see how is she not promoting Ori?
Look at Yami Gautam.
What a goated couple, yeah.
I just love them. After Virushka, these two has to be my favorite. Second favorite. Virushka cannot be touched.
Anushka cannot be touched. I was just going to say that.
Yeah, but yes, Ranveer deserves better.
He
I
truly.
do have many like gossips around it. Did I tell you? I don't think I have.
No, now is just the right time.
No, I can't because it's very controversial and I don't think we want to get into controversy this soon.
No, then you tell me off the pod.
Yeah, although it's very much on the gram and it has picked from gram itself the entire controversy, and if someone is very intelligent they will know what I'm talking about, but yeah,
Are
I'll
you
not.
talking about the Coffee with Karan show? These two went.
No, there this one
No,
comedian.
no. Okay, no worries. You tell that to me in private confidence.
Yeah. So yeah, just a bit that there this one comedian who has claimed many things. So yeah, but I'll not mention it. It's very controversial.
Okay, you tell me off the pod. I am so untouched to that. But like, yeah, if who's your favorite couple in the industry apart from Vrushka, of course.
Yami Aditya for now.
Yeah, those two are very cute.
Very cute and very like organic, raw.
Organic. Can you believe she's had an entire week of working in marketing?
Yeah, organic. They are actually getting organic numbers and organic reach.
Yeah. My favorite couple. I've never thought like that.
Yeah,
So I feel I'm so away from this thing called I'm so close to romanticism yet so away from romance. It's crazy. It's crazy because in all my mind I think about कैसे better हो जाऊं खुद को better कर दूं. I have to become like unapologetically the best of my potential, but never in my mind has it crossed about.
So who's your favorite couple in the Tinsel town?
Oh my god, let me think about it. Oh, I love Jaspreet and Sanjana. I love them. I just love them. They're so sarcastic. They're so roastful of each other. I just love them. So beautiful.
Very adorable also as a couple. Did you see her story wherein she was like, whenever Jaspreet is going to have a night out with his boys, me, तुझे
घर
घर
की
की
याद
याद
नहीं आई
नहीं
तुझे
आई?
जस्सी.
Playful.
I love them. Also, I remember it was their anniversary few days back, and
Hmm.
Jaspreet had put up some good, simple, very simple caption like "Happy Anniversary." That's it. And then
Yeah.
she in the comment goes like, "Very good selection of caption. Ah, smart." I love them. I love couples who are playful and not just PDA. You know.
Plus one.
I also like couples who like to involve other people while having fun and not just be by themselves because घर पे जाके हो ना अभी सबके साथ मस्ती करते हैं.
Plus one again.
Which again, if you asked me just an year and a half back, things would have been different. This
Minus one. Do you know Sanjana was in Roadies? No, sorry, Splitsvilla. Yeah, she had a full journey. She was in Splitsvilla, then she, I think, auditioned for this one, sports anchoring or something, or for Star Sports.
Okay.
That's where the journey began. Now I do feel like watching it. Guys, I do watch. I do a cringe watch every now and then. I feel like I need to consume little bit of cringe in myself because I can't be goddess all the time.
Yeah, and you have to bring in content for the podcast, so watch it.
Exactly.
Wow.
Every little thing that is happening in my life is a content.
On the pod, yeah.
The
हो
pod.
गए हैं हम toxic. क्या करें? Now what to do? This is my upbringing.
कुछ नहीं, ये ले Fentapy.
And who am I? That's one secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.